Hey, how y'all doing? This is Peanuts Automotive Adventures. Look at us, we in the garage. We in our, how can we put it? We are in our place, right? This is our place where we can get away.
Yeah.
We go out here, have fun.
Yeah.
Turn wrenches.
Yeah.
What type of wrenches? What size? Do you got the 10 millimeter in your pocket? I know you do. But hey, let's get down to business on this video here. Today we received some parts. Thank you to Watts Performance Solutions out of Georgia. Mr. Devin Watts, thank you for your recommendation on the part. Thank you to RJC out of Utah. RJC Racing out of Utah. Thank you for, hold up what we got today. Show them. No, not your watch. Hold. Here we go. Hold it up. Right here, we got some V-band gaskets for the for my exhaust on the drag car. It's what's happening is the V-bands are leaking. Well, I got it down to one just leaking, and it's the one. Yeah, it's one. Yeah, you can talk. It's one that's just leaking.
It's just leaking.
Right?
Yeah.
So if it's leaking, we lose power.
Yeah.
And thank you to there's another old school racer that helped me out that identified this last time I was at the street races up at Dominion Speedway, Mr. Mason, and I thank you for that. He came up to look at the car, started it up for him and everything, and he like, hey man, you got exhaust leaks. He was so helpful. He went all the way back to his car or truck. I can't remember what he was driving that day, and he grabbed some vacuum tube and he showed me where it was leaking. It was pretty much both V-band clamps. Headers to the block was okay. To the head was okay, right?
Yeah.
Do you remember that day going to Dominion?
Yeah.
Street racing?
Yeah.
Do you?
Did.
Okay, you did?
Yeah.
Okay. So, he really helped me out with that. And one thing that you do know, and that he gave me some advice. He said, if you want to be fast, the car has to run.
Yeah.
Right. Everything got to be well-oiled machine, right?
Yeah.
Everything got to be running right. So, we'll hold those up again, show them, you know what I'm saying? Matter of fact, I purchased 2 sets of them. Look.
2 sets. Yeah,
it's 2 sets. Let me have a set and you can have a set. These right here is going to help me so much. It's going to help me. It's to keep all the exhaust fumes going to the turbine, right?
Yeah.
Going to the turbo.
Yeah.
We got to have that. We got to have that power when we really need it, because without it, what's the sense of going out there, right? Or you gonna go out there anyway, ain't you? All right. So we're gonna work on putting these on today, and what else you gotta say? Let's tell the people, what is your favorite car? What's your favorite car? You gotta look at the camera and let them know. Well, what's your favorite car? Is it a Grand National?
Yeah.
Grand National? Tell them. Say, my favorite car is a Grand National.
My favorite car is a Grand National.
Thank you. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So, and also thank you. As you can see, I got on my Buick Motorsports hat. Thank you to Matt Dennison out in Oregon for this sweet hat.
Yeah.
Man, I like it, right? Let me see how it look on you. Oh, it looks cool. That's what I'm talking about. My crew, Matt Dennison, I think my crew chief needs a hat. I'll direct message you or Facebook message you for a hat for my crew chief. Yeah. You're my crew chief, right?
Yeah.
You gonna be a good crew chief?
Mm-hmm.
You can't get sick on me. All right?
Okay.
All right. He said, okay. So hold these up again. This is what we doing today. We doing this. We are going to do this. This is going to save us.
Yeah.
This is going to make us fast.
It is.
These little parts is really going to make us fast. Hopefully.
It is.
Hopefully. You want to be fast? Do you want to be fast?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So that's the motivation for putting these on, because we want to be fast.
Fast.
We don't want to be slow. We want to be fast, right?
Yeah.
In a Grand National, right?
What?
Right. So tell them, I want to be fast in a Grand National. Tell them.
Every fast and runner.
That's what I'm talking about. We'll be back. Talk to you guys later.